Are you a business manager or a software engineer who's trying to learn about robotics process automation and you don't know where to start? In this video, I'll share with you a simple process that I share with my clients and fellow developers in order to be able to come up to speed when learning this technology. My name is Mohammed Badran. I'm a software engineer and I have more than 15 years of experience. I've developed several RPA projects. And it took me a long time to understand the technology. If you are new to this channel, I recommend that you subscribe in order to make sure that you get the latest updates as they come out. Well, the first step is to log into badranmedia.com and you will find all the training material regarding different RPA tools and RPA projects and my book, all gathered together in this website. And the second step is that you can follow us on social media. You can follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, or on LinkedIn. And we will be posting different announcements regarding the courses and the books that we'll be creating in the future. And also, it's a good communication channel if you have any questions. Well, the third step I recommend for you is read the book. And this is especially useful for project managers, product owners, and or business owners who are new to the RPA technology and thinking about using this new tool to enhance the performance of their business processes, or for those who already have RPA programs running and who are thinking about enhancing those programs in different ways that I explain in details in the book. Well, the fourth step is I encourage you to buy my courses. You will find a list of the courses here at badranmedia.com, or you can visit my social media websites and you will find announcements for those courses. Those courses are different from any other courses because I provide hands-on training. I provide training environments for you that you can access and use the RPA tool to experiment with different skills that you need to acquire. So they are very different from the courses already in the market. Go ahead and take action. Thanks, and bye for now.